Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make tea, inspired by Chef Ranveer Brar's approach. First, let's gather our essentials. You'll need about 1.5 teaspoons of quality tea leaves per cup, along with fresh filtered water, roughly 200 milliliters per serving. Don't forget your choice of milk or a dairy alternative, and your preferred sweetener, whether it's sugar or honey. These foundational ingredients are key to a delightful brew. Now, let's master the brewing process. Heat your fresh water to a rolling boil, ideally around 100 degrees Celsius, then allow it to cool for about 15 seconds. Add your tea leaves to your chosen vessel, then gently pour the hot water over them. Steep the tea for 2 to 3 minutes for a robust flavor, or adjust the time for a milder cup. This steeping time is crucial for extraction. Hey everyone, quick recommendation. If you're enjoying this video and finding it helpful, please hit that subscribe button and give us a like. And on another note, upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. It's voice-controlled, self-emptying, and pet-friendly, making your home spotless while you relax. Check the description for the link and other amazing deals. Now, let's get back to the video. Finally, let's perfect your cup of tea. Carefully strain the brewed tea directly into your serving cup, ensuring all the leaves are removed for a smooth experience. Now, add your milk or dairy alternative to taste. Typically, 20 to 30 milliliters works well. Stir in your preferred sweetener, perhaps 1 to 2 teaspoons of sugar, until it's fully dissolved. Enjoy your perfectly crafted tea.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.